If you're looking for a high protein vegan dinner that's hearty, comforting, and made with whole ingredients, then I got you covered. Today I'm making my weekly go-to, a savory, protein-packed vegan meatloaf that's full of flavor and texture. And to make it even better, we're pairing it with the creamiest cauliflower mash for the ultimate feel-good meal. So stick around, because this recipe is proof that plant-based can be delicious and full of protein. Hey friends, welcome to my channel where we make delicious plant-based food that's good for you and your family to enjoy. Now you know I'm all about vegan plant-based food that doesn't make you feel sluggish and weighed down. And this meatloaf is definitely a game changer. So growing up, meatloaf was one of those classic dinners that my family always made. It was cozy, it was filling, and it always made the house smell so good. I wanted to recreate the same nostalgic feeling, but without meat. And you know what? I nailed it. And plus, the cauliflower mash is so creamy, it's so fluffy, and it tastes so delicious. And don't worry, it's not bland. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. All right, let me show you everything we'll need for the meatloaf first. This version uses chickpeas and breadcrumbs for texture, mushrooms and lentils for a rich, meaty bite, and a blend of savory spices. No weird ingredients, just real whole foods you probably already have. I'll leave the link to the full recipe in the description box below to my website where you can find tons of other plant-based recipes. Make sure to check out my cookbooks as well while you're there. Saute onions and garlic in a little olive oil until soft. This builds that beautiful base of flavor. While that's cooking, clean your mushrooms with a paper towel, remove the gill, and finely chop the mushroom with a knife or a food processor. So we're breaking down the mushroom in batches because if you overcrowd your food processor, the bottom of the food processor mushrooms will get mushy and the top will kind of be whole. So do it in batches. Pulse a few times to resemble something like this. Next, add the mushrooms to the frying pan and cook until they reduce and most of the moisture is gone. Add the seasonings and soy sauce and cook for about 2 minutes. Then turn off the burner and allow it to cool slightly. In a food processor, pulse chickpeas until fine but not mushy. You want it crumbly but not smooth. Now that our mushrooms, onions, and garlic are all sauteed and cooked down, we're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now let's get all this blended together and form our meatloaf. Add the chickpeas, lentils, rice, and mushroom mixture into the bowl and stir. stir in the remaining ingredients. It's all about that seasoning. This is where the meaty flavor comes alive, so adjust the seasonings as needed. All right, after pressing together a few times, you want to make sure that it's not mushy, squishy, but you want to make sure that it holds together and be firm like that. And also, this is actually not real meat, so you can actually taste it to see if you need to add a little more salt or pepper and to season it to taste. I think it needs a little bit more salt and pinch more pepper. And now we're gonna add it into the loaf pan. Line a medium pan with parchment paper, or you can just oil it. So press the meatloaf mixture into the pan really tight so that it can actually form a nice, good slice when you're cutting it. If you don't press it in and you leave it too loose, it'll fall apart. So make sure you get that pressed in nice and tight. Now let's make the glaze. Mix the glaze ingredients together in a small bowl and spread it evenly on top of the meatloaf. While that's baking, let's move on to our cozy cauliflower mash. This mash is creamy, garlicky, and delicious, but without the heaviness. Here's how I make it. Break the cauliflower into florets and steam until soft. So when you break them down, you want them to be about that size, medium size, so they don't get too much water in them and too mushy. So about that size, so we're just gonna break them up, right like that. So this is why you clean your fresh produce with vinegar and baking soda or any type of veggie wash, because see, you break it down because in between there is a little friend. See I'm moving? And we'll put them outside. Saute a few cloves of garlic and some olive oil or vegan butter. This adds so much depth and warmth to the flavor. Blend cauliflower, garlic, splash of plant-based milk, vegan butter, salt and pepper until smooth. You can use a blender, food processor, or an immersion blender, whatever works. Place the mash into a pot to reheat. And just like that, we've got a dreamy mash to serve with our delicious meatloaf. All right, so everything is done. It looks delicious. And since this is our taste testing, or the end where we try out the meal, I brought along my husband, Jimmy. Most of you guys already know who he is. And, right?
Yes. I'm ready to eat.
Okay. And since we're having this for dinner, he's been waiting all this time. I'm going to have him also tell you if he likes it or not, okay? So we have our mashed potatoes. We're just going to use the same plate. Okay. So I'll put a little bit of potatoes on your side.
A little bit on
my side.
Okay.
And then I'll use my other fork. We can share a piece. You want to share a piece?
We'll probably just get our own pieces.
Oh, wow.
Well, I mean, just put a bunch of pieces there. That's good.
I just need a half a piece. I'm good.
We're ready to try it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll start with the cauliflower mash first.
I will too then. Okay, we're trying the cauliflower mash. Cauliflower mash.
I think these are awesome. They taste just like mashed potatoes.
Mm-hmm. So creamy.
I like the texture. I like the flavor. So it's like a really smooth, creamy texture.
Yeah, it is. You can keep eating them. It's silky.
Yeah, it's not grainy, so it was just blended just right. It may look a little, it kind of looks like it could be grainy, but it's not.
No, it just looks like mashed potatoes. You know, so these are delicious for sure.
Yeah. So, and then now we're gonna, boy, he just ate too.
Yeah,
so I
he
don't
just
know why
ate.
he's like, oh boy, here he comes.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
So that's what it looks like. If you can see from there.
May not be able to see
Probably
it, but
not, but because we had to move the camera back because we have to get both our bodies in here.
yeah, this is good.
It cooled down a bit. It's still tasty. Now,
I like this.
it's seasoned really well. And that glaze, I made extra glaze so I can cover the whole entire...
Sorry.
Can't be wasting no food around here. I made extra glaze to cover the whole meatloaf when it came out. And you can always do that, put it back in the oven so it can seal it, and then serve it, okay? But before you serve it, make sure that you let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes to set up, okay?
I would love some more of that glaze on the side
Okay.
because it has it's not like tasting like just ketchup. So
It's good, huh? And it's simple too.
it's nice and sweet.
What do you think about the texture though? I know it's a bit, it's not super soft. Well, meatloaf tend to be that soft and grainy all the time.
I think it's holding together really well.
Okay. It's good, huh?
I really like the, it's not like falling apart,
Good.
which is good because a lot of times when it comes to trying to mimic a meat source, it can easily fall apart, but this is holding up pretty good.
Yeah. Really tasty.
And then I like that there is a harder for the bottom of it.
Oh, that. Oh, yeah. Because when you bake it in a pan like that, the sides and the bottom will get nice and a little bit firmer, a little bit crispier. Looks like a regular meatloaf, but
So it tastes like it does have like a sear taste texture to it, which is good. So it's funny, it's like with the cauliflower now, I could see it like a, what is that called? Like a shepherd's pie?
yeah. Oh, that'd be good. Maybe that's
So I can see that somebody could take the same recipe and kind of create a shepherd's pie feel.
Good idea. Yeah, because all you need to do is make the meatloaf mixture, put it at the bottom, and then top it with the veggies and stuff, and then put the potato, oh, not potato. Oh, you can use potatoes. You don't even have to use cauliflower.
Right.
I just want to make cauliflower to make it a little more healthier and have a veggie without having to have an extra veggie on the side. That is the veggie. But wow, that's a great idea. I think I'll make that next.
I can see that. Like
Yeah, it's so good. It's so good.
but it's really good. This is really good. So
Wow. Okay. Sorry, we're gonna stop eating now.
so I know she's not going to eat the rest of this one, so I'm going to take it.
I thought I was, but okay.
Oh, maybe she is. Well, I can take a full
Enjoy
piece.
it. No, that's okay. Enjoy. I could cut it and show them how it cuts, but
well-
but I think it's fine.
No, this is good.
Yeah,
I think this is really good.
it's delicious.
So we're going to finish this out so we can
Okay.
finish eating.
Yes, we don't want to be rude. So thank you everyone for watching.
Sorry. I'm hungry.
Sorry about that. I'm gonna talk food in my mouth. Thank you for watching, everyone. I appreciate your support and your love and all the comments, guys. Comment below if you plan on making this meatloaf. It's really good. I really recommend it. You can also make this for meal prep. So if you have the meatloaf, you can use it throughout the week. You can also freeze it, slice it up, and wrap it individually and put it in the freezer, and then just bake it whenever you're ready. I mean, really, it's a simple recipe, and I think you'll love it. I know you'll love it. All right. So anyway, I'm Rosa. This is my hubby, Jimmy, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.
Wait a minute, you already have an ending.
Oh, I do? Okay, so scratch that. If you love this recipe, you've got to check out my vegan chickpea and dumplings video next. It's another cozy one-pot meal you'll fall in love with. I'll link it right here on the screen just for you. Comment below and let me know what's your ultimate comfort food dinner. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on another recipe. Thanks for being here, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.